Hi, students. So this is another ordering game that we're going to do together. It's from Prep Test 62, Section 3. It is the fourth game, and this is about witnesses testifying in a trial. This is a one-to-one distribution, and my base is just going to be my number line. So I have 6 spaces, and I have 6 variables. And my variables are denoted by M, R, S, T, U, and W. Those are our initials. And then these are our rules. The first one and the third one are somewhat interesting. The first one says S must be immediately before either T or U. I could have symbolized this in various ways, but I chose this. It's the most easy to visually, it looks like a block. My second rule says U needs to be before both R and W. That's easy enough. That's just a relative rule. And the last one says that either T or W needs to be immediately before M. So I diagram that similar to the first one with a block, like a slash type of deal. I can see that now that I stop and kind of like pause and analyze after I've diagrammed. Let me see if every variable has a rule. M, R, S, T, U, W, yes. Every single variable has a rule attached to it. We don't have any free agents that can go wherever they want. I'm also going to look and see, is there some like very powerful variable? T is a very powerful variable. As soon as that gets assigned, it can tell me a lot if T is assigned. I can also see that U is repeated. All right, let's go to our questions. Oh, I already did the first one, which is number 19. That doesn't apply the rules question. You don't need me. And I wrote down the answer for that, which the correct answer is B. And it is STURW, URWM. You can see it. After that, I'm looking at my choices and I can see, okay, we have if T is first, which of the following could be true. I also see we have 21. If S is fifth, then U must testify. I like 21 being a first one because it has, if S is fifth, then it's like then it has a must be true. I like a local condition with a must be true is to me my first. That's what I always start with. And then 22 and 23 are asking us about assignment. Which of the following pairs of people could it be third and fourth? Or could it be first and second? I'm going to do the local condition ones first, and then hopefully my answers and my work I create from doing the local ones will help me to answer the assignment ones quicker. I'm going to start with number 21. If S testifies fifth, then U must testify. Well, if S is fifth, okay, S needs to be followed by either T or U. Now, before I plop down one of each, I'm not going to do U because I can see U needs R and W behind it. It's out. So T needs to be over here. Now I know T was also attached to M. And because T can't be right before M anymore, we're going to have W right before M. And W is over here. So let's see what we have. We have U has to be before R. And then this W will need to be right before M. I'm just drawing a little mini diagram right under this 21, which is what I'm doing. For 21, U is going to have to be first. And then R can go anywhere. Well, R can go, we can put W and M on 2 and 3, and then R on 4. We can also put W and M on 3 and 4, and then R on 2. Either one of those are fine, but U has to be first. So that is the correct answer choice for number 21 is A. U has to testify first. Let's do number 20. If T is first, which of the following could be true? This is a could be true. So as soon as I see even one example of it, then we're good. 6. Okay. If T is first, I'm looking at rules that have T. If T is first, it could have M after it, but it doesn't have to. I can also see that T is in this rule. We now know that we're going to have an SU block because we can't have an ST block. So we're going to have an SU block. And look what comes after U. So we're going to have this SU block with R and W coming after that block. And now the only thing we have left to assign is M. Now M could either have T right in front of it or W right in front of it. I'm going to make one example of each. First, I'm going to put M right here with T right in front of it, and then I'm going to do S and U, and then R, W. I'm going to put a roll around those. Either one could go in either spot. Now I'm going to do another example where I put M with W right before it. This is what that would look like, S, U. Then we can have W, M, and R, or we could have R and W and M. Either one of those is fine. Either one of those are good endings for our TSU. Let's see what our answer choices are for 20. If T is first, which of the following could be true? A, could R be second? No, it can't. Can W be 3? Nope. Either S or U is 3. Could S be fourth? Never happens. Could U be 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, we have R and W. If M, nope. Could M be sixth? Yeah. Over here on our very last one, M is sixth. So our correct answer choice for 20 is E. This leaves us with the 2 assignment questions. Let's do 22 first. What can't be third and fourth, respectively? Well, I'm going to first look at my previous work, and I'll say what can be third and fourth, and I'll cross it off. From my apply the rules question, I know that U and R can be third and fourth. I don't see that in my answer choices, so it doesn't help. I also know that if I look at number 21, we could either have, try to imagine, we could have M and R could be third and fourth. That's not any of my answer choices either. And I also know that W and M could be third and fourth. Nope, that's not helping me. What about over here? I know S and U and W. Well, I can cross off E because E is U and W. And I can cross off C because C is S and U. And then my last one would be U and R, which I don't see here. So I'm down to A, B, and D. And I'm just going to test these. I might have to draw them out completely. A is M and T. Could MT be third and fourth? Well, I know that M needs to have either W or T before it, and it's already got T after it, so we're going to put W over here. And once I put W over there, I have a problem. Well, I could put U over here. So R, oh, there's my problem. S needs either T or U right behind it. And we're out of that option. U and T have already been assigned, and S wouldn't work. So that is my correct answer choice for 22. M and T, they can't be third and fourth. That's not going to work. Let's look at 23. Which of the following cannot be first and second, respectively? Well, what could be first and second? What could I get rid of? I can see over here in number 12, well, in number 19, let's start with that. S and T could be, that's not an option that I can cross off. What about over here in 21? U and R could be first and second. So that's not an option either. Also U and W. So I can cross off E at least. I'm looking at number 20. I can get rid of M and S, which isn't there, so that doesn't help. What about S and U? Yeah, that's A. So I don't need to worry about that one anymore. So I know that I got rid of A and E, so I'm down to B, C, and D. I know the answer is D, just looking at them. I'm looking at rules and what is powerful, and I can see that if U and T, either one of them has to be after S. So if that's first and second, then what will come after S? We're not gonna be able to obey this rule while putting U and T first and second. So that's how I find the answers to these apply ones. I save them for last. I see if I can get rid of some stuff, and then I test things out. First, I'll kind of eyeball things, and then I'll test them out. So that is 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. That's everything. for this game, and I hope that was helpful. I'll see y'all in the next game.